Good morning, Emily. How was your weekend?
Oh, hi David. It was really good, thanks. Pretty relaxing for the most part. How about you?
Not bad, not bad. I was pretty busy, actually. I finally got around to cleaning out my garage on Saturday. It was a nightmare, but it feels good to have it done.
Ugh. I know that feeling. I need to do that with my spare room. So, was that the whole weekend, or did you do anything fun?
No, Sunday was much better. My friends and I drove up to the mountains to do that hiking trail I was telling you about last week, the Eagles Peak Loop.
Oh, that's right. How was it?
Absolutely stunning. The weather was perfect, and the view from the top was worth every step. My legs are killing me today, though.
I bet. A good kind of sore, at least. I'm a bit jealous, that sounds wonderful.
So, what did you get up to? You said it was relaxing?
Yeah, it was just what I needed. On Saturday, I basically did nothing. I slept in, binged that new detective show everyone's talking about, and just lounged around. It was glorious.
Nice. Sometimes those are the best weekends. Anything on Sunday?
Yeah, I met up with Sarah for a long brunch on Sunday. We went to that new cafe downtown, the Green Spoon. The food was amazing, we were there for almost 3 hours just chatting.
3 hours? You must have had a lot to catch up on.
We always do. After that, I just went home, read my book, and called it a night. Like I said, nothing exciting, but it was perfect.
That does sound perfect. A good balance. Well, my coffee's ready. I should probably get to my desk before my inbox explodes.
Tell me about it. Have a good Monday, David.
You too, Emily. Talk later.